If you are wondering if we have AI features on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then the answer is yes. If you go to settings, then over here you should be able to find Galaxy AI, where you can find pretty much everything that you have available that is related to AI. So as you can see here, we have call assist, writing assist, and interpreter. We have Note Assist, Transcript Assist, and Browsing Assist. You can also read, of course, these descriptions in order to find out what they do. We have Photo Assist, Creative Studio, My Fan Cam. We have Audio Eraser and Weather Wallpaper, and some personalized insights like the Now Brief, Now Nudge, Notification Highlights, and Health Assist. Of course, you can tap on Continue to, for example, go through all of these different features. Because for some of them you might need to actually turn them on over here, but you should also be able to find some additional descriptions, some more details about these features, and even some settings that you might want to, of course, customize. And besides these Galaxy AI features, of course, we also have some basic Google AI features as well, like, for example, Circle to Search or the Gemini, the digital assistant. And surprisingly, now Samsung seems to prefer to let users use Google's Gemini instead of their own Bixby. I'm not sure why, maybe it's just like a deal or something between them. But generally speaking, Gemini is the default digital assistant. And of course, if you still prefer to use Bixby on your Samsung, then you can still use it. You just have to go through settings to, for example, set up the Bixby to the power button. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.